you're tired of manually uploading the same content to every social platform. If you're making videos, hosting a podcast, running client accounts, or just trying to stay consistent across TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and more platforms, there's actually a way to automate all of it after you hit one publish button. So today I'm going to show you how to use Repurpose.io. It's the best automation tool out there to instantly repost content across TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. Now, if you want to follow along, you can get a 14-day free trial using the link in the description. No credit card needed. You can freely test it out for yourself. So let's begin. How do you log into Repurpose.io? So just simply click on the login button right here. And after you press the login button, you're going to be taken to a login page. And you can log in with your Google account, Facebook account, Amazon account, and you can also create and sign up immediately with those options. Now, this is the dashboard of Repurpose.io. We're going to be setting up our first connection. So how do you do that? First, you want to go to connections right here. Obviously, I have already connected my TikTok and YouTube account for your reference. So let's just say you want to add a new connection. So as you can see, this is all the platforms that Repurpose.io supports. And I know you immediately notice that each of them has their own labels. Some of them are labeled source, some of them are labeled destination, and some are labeled as both. So if it says source, you can only get or grab content from that platform. And if it says destination, obviously it's a platform wherein you can only post. And if it says both, it means you can post and you can grab content from that platform. Say, for example, you want to connect your TikTok and YouTube. So you just simply need to press on TikTok and then you can press on YouTube. So because I've already connected it, let's just try a different one. So let's just say I use Twitch. Okay, so you want to press on connect and you just simply need to log in your Twitch account and allow Repurpose to be connected with your Twitch account. The next thing is you want to go to your destination. So for YouTube, you just also simply need to do the same. Now, after that, you want to create your first workflow. So let's go to workflows. On the left side of your screen, you can see the workflows. Simply click on that one. And then after you click on that one, this should be empty, all right? But I have already connected my TikTok and YouTube account. So I'm just going to show you the process. I'll create a new workflow in here. All right, so this is how it should look like. So let's just say we use TikTok, okay? And then we use YouTube again. So in here, you could set up what kind of videos are you going to post in YouTube. So let's just say your TikTok account has a lot of long form videos. Say, for example, 5 minutes to 10 minutes video. So if you just want to post shorts of those videos, you can just simply leave this on shorts. And if you want to post the full video from TikTok to YouTube, you can just simply click on video. So that's how you use the long form to short form feature of Repurpose.io. I already have the workflow. Let's just go back to the workflow that I've created. In here, I'm going to show you how it works. So we have auto publish on. So basically, if I posted a new video on my TikTok account, it's going to be immediately uploaded to my YouTube account. So as you can see, we already have a published video from Repurpose.io. Let's see our channel right here so that you would see that it's really working. As you can see, the DJI sample video is from my TikTok account. Okay, as you can see, it's in here. Let's just go to home. And then you're gonna see it's already on YouTube because of this one. You can also see that there are a lot of workflow types here. So repurpose future content, repurpose existing content, create clips from long form content, and back up all your content. The next big question, what are the differences of the plans? Like how is the free plan different with the paid plan? So basically there's a 14-day free trial, right? And again, I just want to remind you that the link down in the description provides you that 14-day free trial without commitment, no credit card needed. So the number one paid plan, the starter. So if you put it on monthly, as you can see, you're going to be billed $35 monthly. So this account is called starter because it just allows you 3 accounts per social media channel, 5,000 published videos per month, and the premium social pack. As you can see, the premium social pack is consistent to all the paid plans. So you get access to all the social media platforms. The difference here is, as you can see, the starter plan is perfect for solo content creators, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. And this plan is usually taken by very small teams, let's say 0 to 5 persons. Now, how about the Pro, which is going to be billing you $79 monthly? So this is great for a bigger team and multiple marketing managers because it gives you access to 10 accounts per social media channel. Now, what if you're a social media manager and you're working with really like the bigger names out there that needs 25 accounts per social media channel, that needs unlimited published videos per month, and again, the premium social pack? The agency plan is going to be the best for you. So it's going to be billing you $179 monthly. Also, you're going to have access to priority support and you can have access to the white labelings. So those are the biggest differences of the starter, pro, and agency plan. And I highly recommend checking out Repurpose.io. If you want me to make a full course or a deep dive into advanced workflows, let me know in the comments so that I can create that video for you. And if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a better content workflow. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.